Hey foodies. Today I'm diving into the art of grilling Dorada al Espeto, a traditional Spanish dish from Málaga. Imagine this, succulent sea bream kissed by the flames. Let's get started. You'll need 2 whole sea bream, cleaned and gutted. Rinse them under cold water and pat them dry. Rub them with olive oil, minced garlic, sea salt, and black pepper. Skewer the fish for grilling. Fire up your charcoal grill. Grill for 6 to 8 minutes per side, until the skin is crispy and the flesh is flaky. Can you smell that? It's heavenly. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with lemon wedges. Pair it with a fresh green salad, roasted potatoes, or crusty bread. Perfect for a Mediterranean feast right at home. So there you have it, folks. Mastering Dorada al Espeto is easier than you think. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy grilling!